Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best bike mount is probably one of the most innovative and versatile accessories to hit the market for content creators and outdoor enthusiasts alike, offering a unique hands-free solution for capturing stunning footage from a first-person perspective. Imagine effortlessly recording your adventures, from thrilling sports to everyday moments, with unparalleled stability and a natural field of view that immerses your audience directly into the action. This compact yet powerful device attaches securely and comfortably, allowing you to focus on the experience while it captures every detail with crystal clarity, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to elevate their videography game. Number 5. Snap Mount's Magnetic Action Camera Chest Mount. Introducing the Snap Mount, the ultimate mounting solution for your action camera. It's incredibly easy to use, just snap it on and you're ready to go. This mount works with all your favorite action cameras, including GoPro and DJI Osmo Action. No tools are needed, and the easy-to-grab finger holds make alignment a breeze. Featuring the world's strongest N52 rare earth magnets, it's 10 times stronger than traditional magnets. You can securely attach your camera to any metal surface, even underwater up to 10 meters. Forget bulky harnesses and multiple mounts. This versatile system can be used as a chest mount, backpack mount, car mount, or even a tripod stand. It's the perfect replacement for any action camera body harness. We believe in the quality of our product, which is why we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Any mount or parts that break within 30 days will be replaced. Your package includes the snap mount, a quick-release backplate, a lanyard for added stability, and an anodized aluminum thumbscrew. Get ready for your next adventure. What we like. This mount utilizes the world's strongest magnets for an incredibly secure and easy attachment. If you need a quick and versatile mounting solution that works on any metal surface, this is for you. It's perfect for adventurers who want to ditch bulky harnesses and embrace spontaneous mounting. What people say. The bike mount is very sturdy and holds the camera securely. It allows for hands-free recording, which is great for capturing action shots. The design is comfortable to wear for extended periods. Number 4. Backpack Strap Clip Mount, BC2. Experience unparalleled shooting freedom with this innovative mount. It offers more than just 360-degree rotation, allowing for truly three-dimensional angles and even vertical shots. Attaching your camera is a breeze thanks to the alligator clip design. Simply adjust your desired angle and tighten the knob for a secure fixation. Our high-tension spring and serrated grip ensure a powerful, non-slip hold on your backpack strap. Capture stable footage without worrying about movement. Crafted from high-quality, durable plastic, this mount is built to last. The thoughtful design includes non-slip areas for enhanced grip and ease of use. Ideal for all your adventures, from hiking to skiing. It's the ultimate accessory for outdoor enthusiasts looking to capture every moment. What we like. Experience unparalleled shooting angles with its advanced rotation capabilities, allowing for true vertical shots. If you're looking for a secure and easily attachable mount for your backpack strap that offers maximum framing flexibility, this is your go-to. It's ideal for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts who want dynamic perspectives without constant readjustment. What people say. The bike mount is very sturdy and holds the camera securely. It allows for hands-free recording, which is great for action shots. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to wear for extended periods. Number 3. Pro Standard Grill Mount 3.0. Introducing the Pro Standard Grill Mount 3.0, the best way to capture your adventures. It's designed to film your rides like never before. This mount is compatible with every action camera you own, from the latest models to older versions. You can trust it to work with all your gear. Whether you're surfing, cycling, or vlogging, this mount is your perfect companion. It's designed for a wide range of activities and travel. Say goodbye to cluttered gear bags. This mount is designed to replace almost every other mount you own, simplifying your setup. Featuring a new larger bolt pocket, it ensures your mount stays tight no matter what. It's a revolutionary design, protected by patent. Even former GoPro staff and experts call it the greatest mount of all time. Experience the difference that quality makes. What we like. This is hailed as the best way to film your rides, offering a hands-free perspective that captures the action like no other. If you are a rider, surfer, or skier who wants to get that immersive POV footage, this is the mount you need. It's designed to be the ultimate all-in-one solution, replacing many other mounts you might own. What people say. The bite mount is very stable and secure. It is easy to adjust and provides a great field of view. The mount is lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended periods. Number 2. GoPro Mouth Mount. Introducing the number 1 mouth mount, trusted by professional athletes like Kelly Slater and Anthony Walsh. Experience unparalleled stability for your adventures. Capture incredibly stable footage with our breathable, scuba-style mouthpiece and bite supports. The large air channel ensures you can breathe easily while you film. Designed for ultimate comfort, its unique drop-down design allows for hours of use without any strain. You'll barely notice it's there. A neck lanyard is included to keep your camera close and secure. It's compatible with all GoPro models, ensuring you can use it with your existing gear. Don't compromise on quality. Our patented design, featuring essential bite supports, guarantees stable videos, unlike other options. This mount is designed for action and can be used with accessories like the Pro Armband Leash for even more versatility. What we like. Enjoy stable footage with a comfortable, breathable design that allows for extended use. If you prioritize comfort and ease of breathing while capturing action shots with your mouth, this is the superior choice. It's perfect for long sessions of surfing, biking, or any activity where you need a secure, hands-free camera. What people say. The bite mount is a great accessory for capturing hands-free footage. It's designed to be comfortable and secure, allowing you to focus on your activity. The mount provides a stable platform for your camera, ensuring clear and steady shots. Number 1. Stevie. Armband Leash for GoPro. Never worry about losing your action camera again. This armband leash ensures your GoPro stays securely attached to your arm, even during intense activity. Built to last, it features a high-strength steel inner cable. This provides exceptional durability for even the most demanding adventures. Designed for comfort, the soft inner padding keeps it snug against your arm. Its slim profile is less intrusive than traditional leashes. Capture every moment without distraction. The coiled leash design stays out of your frame, ensuring clear, POV footage. We stand by our product. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason, simply return it within 30 days for a full refund. What we like. Never worry about losing your camera or mouth mount again, even during intense wipeouts. If you use a mouth mount or want extra security for your GoPro during extreme sports, this armband leash is essential. It's designed for peace of mind, keeping your gear safely attached to your arm with a comfortable and unobtrusive coiled leash. What people say. The bite mount is a game-changer for capturing hands-free footage. Its secure and adjustable design ensures the camera stays in place, no matter the activity. The wide field of view from the mouth-mounted position provides an immersive perspective. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.